welcome to my new blog post 51. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about what is discipline for the project manager. So let's start with the blog. So basically, there are two type of disciplines that are related to the project manager. First one is professional discipline, and another one is across disciplines. So I'm just going to give you a brief overview about the professional discipline and across disciplines. Starting with the professional discipline, basically a project manager needs to continue the knowledge transfer and integration, uh, which is actually very important for the project manager. This professional development is actually ongoing in the project management profession and in other areas where the project manager maintains subject matter expertise. This knowledge transfer and integration includes contribution of knowledge and expertise to other within the profession at the local, national, global levels. For example, communities of practice, international organization. And the second one is participation in training, which actually includes continuing education and development. So uh, the training, continuing education and development should be in project management professionals, for example, universities, PMI, through PMI, etc. Uh, uh, Again, it could be related to the related professional, for example, systems engineering, configuration management, software engineering, etc. And in other professions, for example, information technology or aerospace. So next one is across disciplines. So a professional project manager may choose to orient and educate other professionals as well regarding the value of the project management approach to the organization. The project manager may serve as an informal ambassador by educating the organization as to the advantages of project management with regard to timeliness, quality, innovation, and resource management. So this is all about the project managers disciplines. So coming towards our star question, who is the informal ambassador of a project? So the option one is project director, number two, manager of the project, number three, PMO, and number four, VP of projects. The answer lies within this video, so you might need to re-listen to this video, uh, and please do not forget to answer the question of this video in the comment section.